Nigeria 6 and Sao Tomé Kondo. This one a good warm-up game for our darling Super Eagles of Nigeria ahead of the African Cup of Nations wey go shele for inside Ivory Coast come January. And when we sit down for area on Friday reason this matter for our live show, many of us agree say we dey expect say the Super Eagles go deliver plenty goals for this game. Based on we dey put eye for wetin happen for the first leg of this game when the Super Eagles beat Sao Tome 10-0 and 6-0. I believe saying plenty goals for inside the game, and the fans wey even still watch this game for the Godswill Akpabio Stadium for inside Uyo, they still enjoy the goals when the Super Eagles make the match sweet for body. And we see say our Ballon d'Or nominee Victor Osimhen also get hat-trick for the game. We see debut for Victor Boniface when be like saying he come inside the game to give one assist. And we see that Ogbonge goal from man wey dey on fire from Nottingham Forest. Taiwo Awoniyi will be like say in deliver for the game, and we see the performance from other players. But I say make I bring the matter come area, make we rub mind for inside this matter. Which player now I think say I'm gonna go call the man of the match for today's performance from waiting all of us watch, and which areas when I think say the team need to improve before the African Cup of Nations? Because if you dey look am now for how it dey far now January go reach, we be like say the African Cup of Nations go share for inside Ivory Coast. So I say make I drop this matter for inside our table, make we rub mind for inside the comment section. Don't forget to drop like, share this video with your friends and family. Una bye bye.